Hello, my name's Elizabeth, but you can call me Liz, and in today's video, we're basically gonna do another adulting type of video where I cook something, some Korean food. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. But first, let's get it.
Mój dans ma grab, więc chodź do tańca, gdy krok to szansa i los nam gra. Mam duszę starca, nie umiem walca na pa.
My camera is balanced very precariously. Beautiful.
Either way, listen up, tens, a 3 is talking. So today I'm gonna be cooking something that is, from what I've heard, Koreans like to eat this when it's raining, but I just went outside and it's humid and hot, and I keep forgetting that Korean spring lasts like 2 weeks, and then it's back to humid and hot and gross and why Korea, why? But yeah, no, it's not raining. But I've heard that Koreans like to eat this snack as when it rains because ASMR, when you cook it, it sounds like it's raining. So we're gonna see if it actually sounds ASMR-ish, like rain. But today I will be cooking Kimchi Jeon because I have kimchi. And yeah, so let's go. We asked for onions, so we're gonna wash this. So half an onion, but I'm one person, so maybe like that, maybe a little more. And then this website that I saw, it said to cut the onion elegantly. I don't know how to do that. How do you cut an onion elegantly? Something like that. You can make it smaller. Put it into a bowl. Then you need 2 to 3 scallions. 3. So you can't fuck up this recipe apparently. I will try my best not to. That's a lot of onions. Oh my god, my eyes. Okay. So we have onions and onions. My eyes. Then you need kimchi. This is my favorite kimchi, the Maangchi. And then, of course, the pancake mix. So I have this otogi Korean pancake mix. For this recipe, it said half a cup of pancake mix and half a cup of water. If you want to make more, 1 cup pancake mix, 1 cup water. That's correct. And then half a cup of water. Half a cup of water. That's disgusting. You see this? Okay, so my extra ass is gonna add a bit of the red chili flakes to make it a bit spicier. I've been adding this shit on everything. Hopefully it doesn't change the consistency. I don't think it should. Okay, so I want to make small pancakes and big pancakes. We're gonna add small baby pancakes. Oh god, I should have cut the kimchi. I don't know if it sounds like ASMR, like this all baby wipes. Ta-da. Mother of all kimchi jokes. Ta-da! Obviously we got to taste this, but I wanted to share with you kind of like what I like my favorite drinks, so I can do like a full meal, like a food and a drink item. But the few drink items that I saw, I feel like wouldn't go well with this, so I've decided that I will show you just my favorite drinks from the convenience store, so if you have similar taste to me, you can also try this. I like my drinks like I like my alcohol, fruity. So today I will be sharing with you my favorite drink, lemon water. This exact brand, this exact label. So it costs about 1,700 won, which is about $1.50, and yeah, it's not like lemon water like you drink kind of like in the morning where you have hot water and you add a lemon slice, but it's kind of like lemonade but a bit less sweeter. But yeah, I recommend this, and let's try it. Like I said, Koreans tend to apparently eat this when it's raining outside. It's delicious though, although it's not spicy. A lot of the recipes that I saw said it was really spicy. I feel next time I want to caramelize the onions before I put them in the pancake, because I feel like that would make it so much better. Definitely cut your kimchi smaller. Like, I mean, it's okay, but smaller would be better. And I will definitely caramelize the onions before I put them in the pancake mix, because I feel like that would just give it more flavor. So, question. What do you want me to cook next? Please let me know down below. If you are Korean, I apologize if you are watching this, because your mom could probably make Kimchi Jeon way better than I can, and she probably has like a recipe that is delicious. Is it true that you eat this as a snack when it's raining? Is it true? Leave it down below in the comments. I'm curious. You can follow me at e_Gomez on my Instagram and or Twitter. Like this video, that way I know to make more cooking videos, adulting videos, because we don't know how to cook, but you know, we adults. Yeah, comment, like, subscribe to my channel for more random shit, because that's what I'm here for, folks. And yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.